Welcome to Humains.com. You can build advanced conversational flows using our intuitive visual designer. Or you can simply let our AI do the heavy lifting. Just tell Angel, your autonomous builder, what you need. In seconds, the system generates a complete logic-driven structure. Here, we've instantly created a full sales development representative workflow, complete with outreach, qualification, and objection handling. Need to make a change? Just ask. Angel instantly integrates new logic, like adding a CRM API call to save lead scores automatically after qualification. Once your flow is set, you have granular control over the agent's behavior. In the admin config, you can define specific milestones, set KPIs, and fine-tune exactly how the agent handles data integration. You have full freedom to design custom use cases, while our intelligent agents work in the background, adding automatic guardrails to fix potential hallucinations and ensure the logic holds up under pressure. Before going live, run high-speed simulations. Watch as your agent interacts with a simulated client persona in real time. Notice how it adapts to interruptions? It creates a fluid, natural dialogue that feels genuinely human, rather than a robotic script. Once deployed, gain total visibility with Humains Analytics. Monitor core performance metrics like success rates, response times, and flow drop-offs. You can even build custom charts on the fly to visualize specific data points. But the real power is data collection. Stop sifting through unstructured chat logs. The platform transforms messy natural language into clean, structured datasets ready for your CRM. Drill down into individual interactions to verify the AI's analysis of every single lead. From debt collection to complex sales and conducting surveys, Humains agents are built to convert. From creation to analysis, Humains.com gives you the power to build, control, and scale your AI workforce.